Hey folks, Al Dutton here, doing this quick video. I'm going to try to keep this like 30 seconds or less. You can see me click the HTML section. I'm going to paste in this code in which I generated over here from PayPal. You can see my subscribe button. I couldn't do this from my phone for some reason, so I had to do it from the laptop. But simply subscribed to a $2 per week subscription for my newsletter. And when people click their information, they're going to navigate to this page where they'll be able to subscribe. So I'm just going to publish the page real quick, and I'm going to try to keep this under 2 minutes. 30 seconds is kind of hard to do, but I'm going to go ahead and click right here on the website, and we're just going to test it. So when somebody fills out their info, they're going to get sent to the gold mine page where they can learn how to get $400 or $4,000 per month from 500 subscribers. And if they really want to learn it, they're going to subscribe to the newsletter. Just going to navigate to PayPal. You can see it's $2 for each week. And it's for Albert's amazing weekly newsletter. And that's that, folks. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or give me a call. Have a great day.